In this video, I'm going to show you how to find follow requests on Threads. So once you open your Threads application, just tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on the followers. So you can see here all the followers that you have and also the one that you want to follow and the pending follow that you've requested. So to see your follow request, just tap on the heart icon and then you will see here all the follow requests, but I don't have it right now. You just have to confirm it right here in your activity. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.